Hello everyone, welcome back to Journey to Wisdom and Wealth. My name is Tara. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Psych. If you're not new, you're already part of the what? The Grateful Gang, Grateful Gang, Grateful Gang, Grateful Gang. And if you're not a part of Grateful Gang, we'd love to have you over here. I mean, all you have to do is hit that subscribe button. It is free $99 and it costs you $0. Over here, we love that as budgeters. It's free. Come on. Just press the button. Over here, we do allocation of our paycheck. We do closeout of our paycheck, zero-based budgeting, Dave Ramsey inspired digital budgeting using Google Sheets. Sorry, there's a wasp walking on my camera outside that keeps alerting the alarm. So if you hear the boom on the outside, that's what it is. But if any of that I mentioned to you, minus the wasp, interest you, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. If you're not new here, thumbs up your girl. Give your girl a thumbs up, like the video. And if you're not getting the notifications, hit up the notification bell. Make sure you're getting everything. All right, my guys, my girls, my loves, let's get into this video. We're going to be doing what? Cash stuffing. We love it. We love to touch the money. Get into the money, okay? Get to the money. First, we're going to unstuff our money. So first, we want to take out all of our dividers and see what's left in there. Let's go, y'all. Let's go. So first, we have groceries. Groceries has $0. We already did a check-in, and the last thing we did was $0. So we don't have any money left. Gasolina. Let's see if we have what we have left and what the last thing the tracker said was. $20, $30, $40. Come on. Oh, any of my OGs. Grateful Gang. Y'all remember when we went to the dollar store, picked up a box and made our own cash divider and just hot glued it down? Yes, ma'am. Okay, now y'all doing all that. So we're going to use it today. 10, 20. That's probably not the right way, right? 40. And usually we only have 10s and, 10s and 20s. So that's probably why we didn't need a very big one. And the last thing tracked on here was $40 as well. And that's what we have over there. In allowance, we have $1, $2, $3. And that was the last thing tracked as well. So we haven't spent anything since our last check-in. 1, 2, 3. Let's move it on back. All right, $3. And then we, whoa, slow down, buddy. Slow down. Then we have self-care, which had, our tracker says $2. I was going to say, where we ain't got $2. Okay, there's $2 on the tracker and $2 left in our hand. So $2, there you go. And then last but not least, we have giving, which I've not really found anybody to give no money to, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's what we had already. $4. These dollars. Whew, what's happened to y'all? And so $4 was the last thing we had. So everything has been unstuffed. Let's see how much we were able to save in our cash envelopes. Oh my goodness, this is getting out of control. So let's count it out. We got 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, $49 left. So we had 70 something, so we must have used our money elsewhere. But yep, that's where we're at right now. And we're going to restuff. So we'll take this out so we don't get this messed up with the new money. So we'll leave that over here. And then we'll get our money from what? Where the money resides. Where the money resides. Where at? Where the what?
Because I'm at what the what? What the money reside. What the money reside. What the money reside. What the money reside. Okay.
Out and let's get our money together. Oh, wow. These wasps are just out here. Okay, so we should have $220 in cash. We should have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. Oh, we should probably make sure they're the right direction. Wait a minute. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. 20, 40. So 140, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 200, 210, 220. Exactly. $220. So let's get stuffing. So groceries will get $90. So let's go ahead and mark off where we're starting our new one. And we're going to have a CS. What's today? What is today, y'all? It is 11/18. And we have a CS for cash stuffing. And we're adding $90 to groceries. So $90 in groceries. So we got 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, $90 in groceries. Oh my goodness. These wasps are really out there. And then when I go out there, I won't see any, which I'm grateful for, but that's crazy. Gas is going to get 60. We've changed gas to 60. So let's make it $60. Let's start our new section. And we're doing CS for cash stuffing on 11/18. And that is plus $60. $60. And that's been working really well for me. As you can see, I think I have a little over half a tank right now still. And so, and I had the same 60 last time. So 20, 40, 50, 60. $60 in gasolina. Dame gasolina. All right, so allowance will get 30 because that's our new thing. And we love it. We love that for us. So, banana to make a straight line. Couldn't pay me. At 11/18, we have cash stuffing, and we're adding $30 to give us a total of $30. So $30 is going to allowance. Bang, ba, ding, ding, ding. Self-care. We were able to do these because we got paid that extra money. Come on, Jesus. God be guiding. God be guiding. Hey. And we got the extra money. So we're able to give ourselves some self-care and allowance money because there was a point in that budget where the extra money didn't come through. We just weren't going to do it. Luckily for us, it's cold. And so these jankety toes can stay inside. Because they stay in shoes, they don't, cash stuffing, 11/18. It's not such a big deal, but I do want to be able to get them done before the new year. So, sometime in December. So, we're going to put 40, 20. Wow, this is crazy. 20, 30, 40. Every time y'all hear that noise, that means like a bug is crawling on my camera. It's crazy to me. $20, $30, $40 for self-care, which sometimes ends up being eating out. Because sometimes that's what self-care is, being able to take yourself out to eat or buy something, or it actually is turning into like buying stuff for the holidays for the house, which is also self-care for me because if I don't have to get a pedicure, then that's what it is. But I may need to get my eyebrows done, so we'll see. Now giving, I'm going to always take the giving money out of here, which is our extra. So we're going to put $5 back in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, that's what we'll do. Okay. And we'll set up that. Where's that tracker? Oh, uh-oh. Where's that tracker? Did we leave it? No man left behind. Uh-oh. Don't know where my tracker is for. Did I pick it up? Yep. My bad. Here's my giving tracker. So today on 11/18. Not writing on my table, fam. 11/18. We'll be doing cash stuffing. It's supposed to be CS Terra. And we're adding $5 and praying we can give it out, I like to give out my money for giving. for giving, at least. Not for bills so much, but for giving. So giving is stuff. I'm so excited to use my new cash envelopes in January that my friend gave me. If y'all saw that video, y'all know she had already pre-stuffed them. So I honestly haven't moved that money yet. So let me move this back into our falling apart little wallet here. But it's hanging, you know. She's doing all right. She still closes. She still holds the money. We appreciate you. Okay. So we have 20, 30, 40, 1, 2, 3. We have $44 left that we rolled over. So let's go into our handy dandy pink binder here. And we're going to, you are enough, y'all. You are enough. What your money is enough. God is enough. You are enough. And so we have 2 things to do. We have to put some money to our challenge. We have $20 in our Christmas Blessings Challenge, which basically is for holiday decor or anything holiday related. I'm going to see what I have first in my stash before I go buying anything, but I do want to remember we want to do this. And then we don't have any money. I've just been using the $20 one. We don't have any money in for November yet because this is our first paycheck of November. So immediately I'm going to say the $4 is going in. 1, 2, 3, 4, because this doesn't have anything with singles. So we're going to do 10 here, and we're going to do the 34 for the emergency fund. 20, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4. We're doing $34 in the emergency fund. And the reason I went that direction is because I did have a little bit of a buffer in my bank for this week, and I can always use that again towards Christmas. So this 10, instead of marking off the 10, I think I'm going to mark off the 5, 2 5s. And this time I'm just gonna, that looks ugly, just messed up my pretty snowflakes, but I was trying to mark out where the snowflakes were. That's all right. We got 2 5s and a 10 to make $10. So now we have $30 in our savings challenge, or in our extra money, which I got to remember to actually bring with me, because if I want to shop, or I can just put it on the credit card and put the cash back in. But sometimes I just want to spend the cash and be done with it. You know what I'm saying? But there's $30 in there, and we stuffed the emergency fund with the $34. Is that right? Yeah, the $34. And then, so our goal is always to get $50 additional in there. So let's go ahead and, all right. So if our additional, because we automatically add $25 every other paycheck. Every paycheck, we get it one bi-weekly. So every paycheck we add $25, which gives us $50 in emergency fund. The goal is to add another $50 to get $100 in or more. So right now we don't have any extra. We have 50 is our goal, and we're putting 34 away. So technically all we have to do is save $16, you guys, which is so awesome, because I think we can definitely go above and beyond that. And then I want to bust out my binder for budgeting. My budgeting binder, and we want to also keep track of the income for how much extra we're saving this emergency fund. So this emergency fund, we put away $34. Yay! Why can't I write properly? That looks crazy. $34. Yes. And for the holiday saving, we put away $10. I think we want to put dates. So this is 11/18. Oh no, this is 11/18. And this is 11/18. And we should have one more, but we'll see. We might have to pick another holiday saving here, because we had an extra from October that we didn't add there. But yeah, you guys. And remember, the Lord will guide you always. He will satisfy your needs in an unscorched land, and will strengthen you strengthen your frame. You will be like a well-watered garden, like a spring where water never fails. Just keep believing, y'all. He's going to keep providing y'all. And if y'all watch me, y'all already know how true that is. So this is the update on that. And we're done here. We are done here, hunty. Right, Agnes? Right. We're done. So everything has been updated. Thank you guys so much for watching my cash stuffing and unstuffing. Gotta remember to put this back in my bag. Thanks so much for watching, you all. I really do appreciate you. Remember, in order to be great, you have to be grateful. And I'm super duper grateful for you. Have a wonderful, blessed day. Remember, it's faith over fear this year, but not just this year, but what? Forever, forever, ever, forever, ever, ever, forever, ever, forever, ever, Bye. Just hands. Love you, mean it. Bye.